What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get these axles on my jack stands. We're going to pull the diff covers off. We're going to see what the gearing is. We're going to see if everything's there like it's supposed to be, and just kind of get a better idea of what we're going to be starting off with, what we're looking like. So let's go ahead and put these on the jack stands, and then we'll pull the diff cover off. We'll see what the gearing is. We'll see if the carrier's legit and if everything's hooked up right. And we may start cutting brackets off today. So let's go ahead and bust these babies open. I just pulled my diffs off. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this over, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're looking at. So far everything looks like it's good. I just pulled the diff cover off. As you can see here, I'll just go ahead and do it like this. Alright, sweet. So everything looks fine, everything's in there. Let's go ahead and focus. See what gearing we got. See if it's gonna be a good day. See what's that saying now. Alright, let's see. Alright dudes. I don't know if you can see that, but that is 513 gears. That is amazing news. Like, such amazing news. That just makes this whole deal get even better. Like, that's amazing. Like, jeez. Well, that's great news, because we're definitely going bigger on tires. Alright, so sorry if this filming is like kind of all over the place. I'm trying to like keep it organized. So obviously I'm putting these axles in the Jeep. I was gonna have to re-gear from 410 anyways, because it was just, I was gonna run 37s. The plan is to go to 37s. 410 gears is not gonna be enough to run 37s. So this is amazing news. 513 gears running 37s. It's perfect. I mean, I'd rather a 488 just for dailying, but you know what? 513 is gonna be awesome. So that's great news. I haven't opened the front one yet, but I would like to think that they put it in both. Or these are matching enough to where they put it in both. So that's awesome news. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably wrap this video up here. I'm gonna put this diff cover back on. It's about to start raining. I was gonna start grinding, but it's definitely gonna start raining here any minute. So that's great news. I mean, that saves me huge money. So these axles, I think, are just getting better and better. I mean, I paid 1,500 bucks for them. They're geared at 513. I'm gonna check and see if they're sleeved. It's hard to tell because they have the dust cap on the end of it. If it's sleeved, that's gonna be even better. So that's great news. God, I can't even believe that. It's like these things just keep getting better. So I've got now a set of Rubicon axles with 513 gears, big brake kit, gussets, and a heavy duty diff cover. I mean, shit, I'm already way ahead of the ball game, boys. This is big news. Sorry about the delay on this video. Obviously I'm out of work like a lot of people, so I had planned on just filming a bunch, but my wife's dad is doing construction and he needed some help. So I've been helping him the last few days, so I haven't really been able to film anything. So I think hopefully this week, depending on how much work I'm getting from him, I may try to order the truss kit, get that installed, or get that, you know, shipped out at least, and then kind of get the ball rolling on that. Also, I think that I still have a lot of projects to do on the Jeep as well. So while I'm waiting on parts, I'm probably going to go ahead and finish up other stuff as well. I might make content on it depending on if I think it's going to be something you guys are interested in. But big thing is definitely these axles. These are going to be the big part of this build. So I think that just focusing on this majority is going to be what we're going to be doing mostly. I appreciate you all tuning in. Check back for my next video. Hopefully it'll be early next week for sure. I'm going to try to film over this weekend, start cutting brackets off. It's probably not going to be the most exciting stuff, but definitely stay tuned. The final product's going to be awesome. So Other than that, I appreciate you all stopping in, and like and subscribe if you like my content. I should have more stuff coming your way soon. I appreciate y'all. Peace.